Hello, beautiful people. My name is Victor Ademofe, and I want to talk about reading that we can get from our head. I mean, the head has air. Whether or not you have air, you can still make this reading. So I want to talk about the brush reading. So when we brush our hair, we can make music out of it. Okay, let me just brush the air and see different sounds that each side of the head can produce. We have something like this. You can get the different sounds, one. And if you go to the back, so you can achieve a whole lot of sound. That's called the brush sound, a brush sound. So let's make it into a steady reading. Faster. You can see. Life is reading. Everything that has to do with every human being is reading. From sleep to every domestic thing we do, every part of our body speaks. Our eyes speak, everything speaks. Our mouth speaks, our teeth, our systems, every organ of the body speaks. So music is life. From music emanates everything. Now let's talk about the comb. These, for those who have a lot of hair, for example, for those who have afro, those who have funk, those who keep hair, we can make sound out of it, and it's different from the sound of the brush. So we have something like this. So we are making reading from it. So that's what I have to share with you today. Enjoy your day.